What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Bonham Tx. This is Josh and Mo. I'm out here with one of our doe herds, and I just want to kind of give you guys an update of what's been going on, and we have been doing some online buying. We've picked up a few does at some auctions, and I just wanted to show you guys them does and explain why we're picking up does from different farms, wanting to bring in them new genetics and cross with our good bucks. But I want to show you over the past couple months what we've picked up. So this doe right here we picked up, we picked her up at a sale, and she's a yearling. She come from a proven farm, and I think she's going to be a great addition to the herd. Nice thick body. And then we picked these up right here, these three right here. This doe right here, this cream colored doe, and this blue doe. Right here we got these girls. Them three right there, they come from Kansas. Should be some really nice additions. I like the front end on her. So we just got back from a great family vacation, and we had family over for the 4th of July. We had a really good time. I hope you guys had a great holiday.
Must have been what we seen, Josh.
They never come up.
Being able to go attend these sales is really fun, but now you have the convenience of doing it online. So the majority of these sales, they have online options to where they bring people in, they set up cameras, they showcase the goats in an online catalog, and then for several weeks you can look at them. And then the day of the auction, they'll have a computer set up with videos, run the goats in, and you can sit there and bid on them online. And we've done 3 this year so far, and we've brought in, let's see, 5, 6, 7. I think we've brought in 9 or 10 new goats to the farm. To add to our already doe herd. So this group right here, I think there is 54 head of nannies in this herd right here. Mo is enjoying the pool right now, so he is taking him a dip in the water. He's cooling off. But I just want to come out here and talk with you guys and show you some of these new additions we've picked up. Added these new genetics to the herd to cross on our bucks. Of course, when we're looking at them, we're looking for what we like, the size, make sure that the conformation is there, look at their genetics, how they'll compare with our bucks, and then when we buy them, we pretty much know what buck they're going to go in with to look for that great cross. And then this year for the breeding program, it's going to be exciting because we have our own homegrown yearlings that we've produced, raised ourselves, and we're going to be crossing with one of our other bucks. So all these yearlings are here in this pasture. But you know, being able to purchase online, like one of the goats, she come from a farm in New Jersey, so she was way upstate, and we're excited to get that type of goat in our herd. We want to cross her with a megawatt. Should be an outstanding cross, we think. And then we picked up some does specifically to cross with BT because they've got some of Megawatt's breeding in them, and that'll be exciting. So just want to walk out this morning and tell you guys what's been going on, show you some of the new goats in the herd, and just give you guys an update of what's been going on around here. This is the goat that comes from New Jersey. She is in one of our mineral tubs. So what the goat has to do is stick its head underneath here, lift it up, and on the inside we got minerals. As you can see, she's doing that right now. She's getting her some minerals. And these things right here are tough, sturdy. So these mineral feeders are for cattle, but it doesn't take much time at all to train a goat how to use it. They're tough, sturdy. You can see her right now. She keeps getting what she needs every day. So we put that high copper mineral out and fill them up, and they have free choice mineral whenever they need it. Them goats can get on top of it. They're very sturdy. The thick rubber lid keeps the moisture out of it, because we've been having problems with getting this mineral, putting it out, and it getting hard and the goat's not wanting it. That's waste. So we don't want to waste. This right here solved that problem. But let's take a walk out here and let's pick out a few of these does that are in the herd that are new to the regime of does that we got. So as I'm walking out here, I want to give a shout out to Aaron Heffley, Dennis Higgins, Steve Gross. You guys, I appreciate you guys hauling the goats back for us, getting it set up to where you can be a buyer, registering for the auction. You also got to find somebody willing to haul them back for you, and I kind of get in communication with these guys. But I really appreciate you guys for helping us out. That's a good thing about the Kiko world, is everybody's willing to help everybody. You know, I've hauled back for people, and it's just the way we are. So I want to give a special shout out to them guys for helping us out. I want to show you guys this nanny right here. She is, or has been, one of our best producers. She has raised some outstanding, right there she is. We like to lost her. You know, these Kikos, they get down. She's very thin, but we got her turned around. We have got her out here grazing. We did everything we could to keep her alive. She just got down on us with all this bad conditions. We had just pulled kids off of her. We had all the rain set in, and we'd given her some vitamins, antibiotics, B12, whatever we could to get her back up on her feet and doing good. The worms really set in on her, but she has been one of our top producing does. Every year she raises outstanding does. I'm going to show you guys 2 of them that she raised a year ago, and you know, this is the reason why we're going to keep her alive. She's never been sick before. Just the worm load got her down and we got her turned back around, but happy to see her out grazing again. And let's go show you a couple of her kids. So right here is one of them. BT's a sire, and she's a great yearling doe, and she has a full sister in here. I'll go show her to you too. Right there's her full sister, another great doe. One of them we're going to keep, one of them we're going to consign to a sale. So these does right here, these right here, they tend to group up together. These are some of the new ones right here. These 4 right here we picked up. So those 4 I just showed you that we had picked up in a previous sale a couple years ago. We had bought some does, and they offered the same type of does in this sale. So we went after those, and we knew that the does that we had bought previously worked really well with us here on our farm. So we went with that and got those genetics again. 15 nannies in this little pasture over here. They're all doing good. Got lots of thick grass. I had one in here that got a little thin on me, but I've got her turned around. That's her right there. She was the one that I did in the last video. She's doing much better. But this doe over here, this tan doe, we picked her up at a sale. She's a new addition to the herd. Was wanting to try these genetics. So happy to have her. She's adjusting to the new girls. We continue to improve our herd. That's what it's all about, making it better. So we've got a great lineup of does here, and we hope to offer those genetics to you guys when we make a cross on our great bucks. And that's what it's all about, is improving your herd. We're super excited about our yearlings. I can't wait to cross those yearlings on the opposite buck and get the outcome of that. That's what it's all about right there, is growing out your own homegrown does and seeing what they produce. So but caps, if you're interested, I've got a email in the description below. Shoot me an email, or look up my Facebook, my Bonham Tx Kiko Facebook page, and the caps are 25 bucks. That covers shipping and the cost of the cap. I appreciate the people that already bought one. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update what's been going on. As always, we will catch you on the next one.